right, everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going for a ride in our 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible with a nice blue exterior, white interior, bench seat, column car. You can see most of it's pretty original. You still got the original radio with the little Bluetooth setup underneath. You got a very clean body, actually, I should say so myself. Has some upgraded wheels. I want to say probably about 17 inches. Still got the original steering wheel. Still got a nice factory smell, as I'd like to call it. Power top, power steering, power brakes, factory AC, which blows nice and cold. Of course, since we got the top down, there's not really no need to have it. Got a nice strong sound coming out the back with that dual exhaust as we test out the brakes right now.
It's got disc brake conversion front.
Oh, disc brake conversion. Starts really good. As we're taking it out onto the main road, you can hear it a little bit better. That nice 455 sure gives it a nice ride. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.